Hey YouTube family, what's up? How y'all feeling? Y'all feeling good? Well, I thought I would make an introductory video. Introduce myself. My name is Bethany. I'm a wife. I have 7 kids. One is not at home anymore. He's actually out on his phone. Yay me. As you can see, I'm in my car because I'm picking up my hubby. You know, because I'm the only one that drives. So I have to pick him up. But I wanted to let everybody know to come on over to my channel. I do cleaning, organization, DIYs. I cook. I tend children. Take care of my husband. Birthday parties. I do all kinds of stuff on my channel. So come on over. Press that subscribe. Smash that like. Let YouTube know that I am here and I'm here to stay. Gotta smash that like button. Come on and subscribe for all the shenanigans that go on in my house. Because having that many kids in the house, you've got to know that there's a whole bunch of foolishness that goes on in my house. And they're all teenagers. I don't have any babies. I have no little people. Haven't had little people for quite some time. My twins are 12 years old. So, no, I don't have any little people. But if you need some help getting it together, just to clean that room, motivation to get up and make that bed, do something, come on over, hit your girl up. We can chat, put your comments down below, let a girl know what's going on, and I will help you along. It is not a problem to help you do that, because trust and believe, as mamas, we all need help. And it is nothing wrong with saying, I need help. I do it all the time. I am not perfect by any means, but I try and I strive. So come on over, hang out with me, let a girl know what you're doing, hit that subscribe, comment down below, smash that like button. And for all my returning subscribers, thank you so much. I love y'all. I appreciate all of the love that you show me on all of my videos. I thank you. I appreciate you. Love you, love you, love you. And you know what it is and you know what we do. So let's get it.